classic Greco-Roman take. Reversal. A very good position.
Good.
Going from Bushi to Dazo. A back tip.
And the wrestler is relentless.
He's just explosive. Is definitely hunting down Jetty, the Destroyer Legaspi so far. Now that he's got the back, showing a superior dominant position. Definitely a trademark of wrestling. Be good. Is just showing the foundations. Excellent nice. Halfway suplex, I must say.
Kicking down the opponent in the head is not.
Yes, kicking in all fours when your opponent is standing on all fours, that is illegal, and you're not allowed also to
kick, knee, or stomp on the opponent's head.
Gary, tanggalin mo na yung kamay mo sa ulo niya. Biray mo sa mukha. Biray mo yung mukha.
3 points.
Yan, sige. Reverse. Okay. Go. Sige.
Let's see if he's able to keep it.
Tayo mo na.
Young fighter taking it to the fence.
Biray mo. Para.
This fourth bout is brought to you by PCSO, passion in this guys highs. All right.